So Locke has a chance to tie him with a victory today. Locke.
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
This is an Alberta Emergency Alert. Calgary Police Service has updated the Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. Calgary Police has issued an Amber Alert for the abduction of a male child today, July 8th. The child's name is Cambridge Aviator, white male, 13 years old, date of birth April 2, 2007, 5 foot 3 inches tall, 104 pounds, blonde hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing black sweatpants, a Saskatchewan Rough Riders shirt, black Converses, and a blue helmet. Cambridge was abducted by Jevon Diaz, white male, 29 years old, date of birth December 22, 1991, 5 foot 9 inches tall, 218 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Cambridge was last seen riding his bike at his local mailbox in southwest Calgary. They are now traveling in a 2015 Kia Sorento, with Alberta license plate KEW 3236, heading to the Canmore, Alberta area. If child is observed, call 911. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Confidence that Drew Locke has in him.